And to the relief of many of our audience members, they have been waiting to do their presentations. Now, we have a number who are going to be speaking today. And some of you may feel that you would like to speak at length, have new information. For those of you who would like to consolidate your presentations, that would be welcome. I'm making a suggestion. I'm certainly looking forward to hearing all of your presentations I've been waiting and been very patient. I'd like to bring up, that'll be fine. No, that'll be fine. But I'd like to bring up, may I have Kate Botke come up first, please? Kate, are you here? All right.
So
there she is. Ms. Botke, I assume that this is non-agenda?
Sorry. Non-agenda, I think.
So you will have 3 minutes.
Thank you. Kate Botke, Geneva. I'm busy this week prepping for a trip to Gettysburg, but I'm here today to do my little part in avoiding another civil war. Another civil war that we should all be working to avert. Wouldn't be against the North against the South. It would be those defending the corporations pretending to be government against those defending our republics. Maybe that's what the 19th century battles were about after all. Tensions seem to be brewing between Americans acting under the color of law on behalf of private foreign corporate owners, let's just say the UN, and Americans who believe in the scripts that established this federal union called America. Those of us who believe the experts such as Supreme Court Justice Neil Gorsuch, when they tell us in America, the people are sovereign with unalienable rights granted by our creator, not government, the Pope, or any king. Kane County, we have a problem. I've already spoken about what happened in Elgin on June 14th of last year, when the Kane County Sheriff's Department swatted a young family while they were in their home, tried to break into the home with children inside. I hope you've all read their accounts on both sides of that incident. The violence perpetrated that morning was not by a gunman, rather men with guns, badges, and military tanks. One term kept coming in these police reports was sovereign citizens, 8 times, at least. Is that a term in the Illinois Code of the Illinois Secretary of State's office? I can't find it anywhere in the US Code. So where are cops getting that language? Probably from this 2010 publication of the FBI's Domestic Terrorism Operations Unit titled Sovereign Citizens, an Introduction for Law Enforcement. It's a joke. I used to teach 7th graders and this report is a joke. But it's not funny because people are dying and suffering due to the ignorance of those on that thin blue line, some of those, not all, but who don't know the law. They don't enforce laws. They enforce corporate codes that are not laws. But they apparently don't know that sovereign citizen is not even a legal term. It's propaganda to discredit Americans who dare assert their rights and has no place in any police report. It's prejudicial. It's a prejudicial and oxymoronic slur. What does sovereign mean? Webster says one possessing or held to possess supreme political power. What does citizen mean? Read the 14th Amendment, Section 1. All persons born and naturalized in the United States, which according to 28 U.S. Code 3002, Section 15, and the District of Columbia Act of 1871 is a federal corporation.
You have 10 seconds.
And subject to this jurisdiction thereof are the citizens of the United States. The usage of the term sovereign citizen evinces the ignorance of the law, siding with the enemy in the United States of America. Thank you.
was off agenda, so.